Did you know that only 1 in 10 adults consumes the recommended daily amount of fruit, which is at least 1.5 to 2 cups per day? Generally speaking, most fruits are beneficial for health. Studies show that consuming at least 4 to 5 servings per day can improve your mood and reduce the risk of heart disease, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. However, some fruits can be somewhat harmful, acting as hidden sugar mines. The concept of unhealthy fruits may seem like a nature's irony, leading us to believe that we are being healthy when, in fact, we are consuming tablespoons of sugar. In today's video, we will talk about both types of fruits, those you should include regularly in your diet and those you should avoid. Let's start with the healthy fruits. Number 1. Grapes. These small fruits are one of the oldest and most abundant, as well as highly beneficial for health. Research suggests that grapes can improve blood lipid levels, reduce inflammation, and lower blood pressure. They are also an excellent source of potassium, which helps prevent muscle cramps. Just remember not to give them to your dog, as they can be toxic. Number 2. Apples. Certainly, apples are not considered the most glamorous fruits and are rarely included in superfood lists. However, they have several virtues, one of which is their storage and transportability. They are a rich source of the phytonutrient quercetin, which, in various studies, has shown to reduce inflammation and alleviate asthma and allergy symptoms. Additionally, quercetin is known for its ability to protect against brain cell degeneration, a factor associated with diseases like Alzheimer's. Studies indicate that regular consumption of apples and other whole fruits is associated with a reduction in blood pressure. The fiber content of apples is also beneficial for improving cholesterol levels. Number 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are among the fruits with the highest amount of antioxidants. They have a naturally sweet taste and are relatively low in calories and glycemic index. Studies suggest that they can be beneficial for blood sugar control. The fibers in blueberries form a gel in the digestive system, slowing down the release of glucose into the bloodstream. Additionally, certain phytonutrients in blueberries can block the absorption of sugar by the intestinal wall. Number 4. Papaya. It's a low-calorie fruit packed with nutrients, containing more vitamin C than an orange. It is rich in vitamin A, potassium, folate, and fiber. Additionally, it contains lutein and zeaxanthin, substances that protect the eyes against age-related vision problems. This fruit is beneficial in preventing conditions such as atherosclerosis, diabetes, and heart diseases. It also contains essential folic acid for the conversion of homocysteine, a substance that, if left unconverted, can damage blood vessel walls, posing a significant risk of heart attacks and strokes. Number 5. Raspberry. We can compare raspberries to kale in the vegetable world because they are rich in fiber, providing about 8 grams per cup, which is approximately 1/3 of your daily needs. Additionally, they contain various phytonutrients, being the second most antioxidant-rich food per gram, second only to herbs and spices. A study showed that consuming 60 grams of black raspberry powder reduced the growth rate of colon cancer cells and the blood vessels that supply them in a period of 2 to 4 weeks. Number 6. Pomegranates. Known as phytonutrient powerhouses, pomegranate seeds and their juice-filled compartments have an antioxidant activity 2 to 3 times higher than that of green tea or red wine. It's no surprise that there is research suggesting they can protect against cancer, lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and cognitive function. A small study showed that older individuals who drank 8 ounces of pomegranate juice daily for 4 weeks scored better on memory tests compared to a control group. The only downside, they are not the easiest fruit to consume. Number 7. Oranges. They are an excellent source of vitamin C and potassium. Additionally, they contain flavonoids, plant-based substances with anti-inflammatory properties. They are not overly sweet, which helps prevent cravings for sugary treats after eating them. They are ideal to consume before long sports or aerobic activities. Opting to eat the fruit instead of just drinking its juice is more advantageous, as it provides only 69 calories and 3 grams of fiber. Now let's move on to the not-so-healthy fruits. Number 1. Bananas. They're a convenient choice when you want something healthy to eat quickly, but they also contain about 25% sugar. Despite being rich in potassium and other nutrients, There are many other fruits that offer broader benefits, such as blueberries and raspberries. Each banana has about 150 calories, which is approximately 37.5 grams of carbohydrates. Consuming 2 to 3 bananas daily can lead to weight gain. There's no harm in eating bananas in moderation, but they shouldn't frequently replace balanced meals. Number 2. Dried fruit. Many dried fruits are not significantly healthier than candy. Typically, these fruits are dehydrated, coated in sugar, and treated with chemicals to preserve their color and freshness. If you dry fruits at home, you'll have a better product. Otherwise, this is a fruit category that may be best to avoid. By weight, dried fruits pack in more calories and less water content than fresh ones. Studies indicate that dehydration significantly reduces the amount of vitamin C in them. Number 3. Mangoes. One mango has about 30 grams of carbohydrates and around 26 grams of sugar. Additionally, it has a medium to high glycemic index value of 60. As it ripens, its glycemic index increases. So, if you enjoy mangoes, go for a smaller serving and also be mindful of using them as sweetening ingredients in your smoothie and guacamole.